First one I'm using is a glass bauble that I've bought. You just remove the top like that, and I'm taking some white acrylic craft paint and I'm going to start pouring it inside all the way around. Whiz it around like that so that the paint moves around inside until the whole thing is coated. The first design I'm going to do, I'm going to make it look like we've hand painted this bauble. I'm going to use permanent markers. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start in the middle and draw a line to the tip. I also did one with some black paint if you want more of an industrial look. Okay, in this next bauble, I have got these are plastic and they actually come in two parts and they click together like that. They're easy to open. So first of all, I'm just going to squirt some paint in both sides. And then, using the shaking method, I'm going to combine the paints. Okay, so that is now completely covered in paint. And for the third bauble, I'm using a polystyrene ball that I have cut in half. Then I sanded the top. I had this picture of my children when they were little on Christmas morning. So I took a photocopy of it on card, and then over the top I've used some contact paper, some clear contact paper, just to give it more strength and to make it a little bit shiny. But the first thing I'm going to do is to decorate the back. I have got a Christmas napkin and I'm going to take just the top layer. As always, when we use napkins to decoupage, we just use the top layer, and I've got some tiny bits here that I'm going to show you. I've got some regular white school glue and simply put some glue on the polystyrene ball and then lay the napkin on top. Just go all the way around until it's all covered. So this has been completely covered now, and I've also gone over it with one coat of glue as well, just to seal it in. And putting some glue on the polystyrene, and I'm also going to put some on the back of this card as well, and then press it in place. This is a really nice idea to make something that's just a little bit more personal. It doesn't have to be a photograph, it could be anything that means something to you. So I leave that to dry, and then I just come back and decorate it a little bit more. So my image is well and truly stuck on now, and I have also stuck around the edge these little sticky half pearls in gold, which I got in the dollar store, just to finish it off. And then taking some ribbon, this is cord, push the cord in with the end of the scissors, put some glue on it to glue it in place. And here are the baubles all hung now on the tree. I'm really happy with how these turned out. They're all very personal and made for a fraction of the cost. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I have inspired you to have a go. I'm Julie McDowell. I'll see you next time.